FlexPod is a technology stack built from NetApp controllers, Cisco servers, Cisco UCS servers, and Cisco unified switches called Nexus. And basically it's a unified stack which we sell to our customers as a pod architecture. Well, as the name implies, FlexPod is fairly flexible. And what we mean by that is that with FlexPod we can take existing components the customer may already have and already own, and we can build the FlexPod around them by adding the additional components. But also the FlexPod is flexible because we don't sell it as a pre-built stack like some of the pod architectures. It's sized specifically for each individual customer's requirements. So FlexPod from Microsoft Private Cloud is FlexPod running the Hyper-V hypervisor, and essentially it includes a whole load of integration features into things like System Center Orchestrator, System Center Operations Managers, so that people can rapidly build private clouds based on the FlexPod architecture. Let me give an example of a customer who's used a FlexPod to deploy a Microsoft private cloud, and that's ING Bank in Australia. And the reason they deployed the FlexPod is they like to spin up a copy of the entire bank so they can test against that copy of the bank. And it used to take them 3 months to spin up a copy of the bank from their IT infrastructure. They deployed FlexPod for Microsoft Private Cloud. They can now spin up a copy of the bank in 10 minutes. That's the difference between a FlexPod private cloud and other private clouds. And you can see videos of that on YouTube if you just search for ING FlexPod.